Christina.
Yes, yes.
It's so good to sit with you here.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you for being here. We are at Tiny Room Studios.
Yes.
And tonight you are going to be facilitating a yoga session for us.
Yes.
Now, first of all, tell me what the name of your yoga practice is.
Well, my brand is
your
thick,
brand.
It's
yes.
Thick Girl Yoga LA.
Thick Girl Yoga LA.
Yes, ma'am.
Can us skinny girls?
It's for all. It's for all.
I
Yet being a thicker Black woman, I didn't see a lot of people who look like me in the practice, and so I wanted to name it something that I could be proud of, that I thought represented me for sure.
I love that.
But we welcome all, and everyone shows up too, because it is a safe space, and it is most definitely sacred work that we're doing as we move our bodies.
So you said safe space and you said sacred work.
Yes, yes.
What exactly do those mean to you, and how did yoga help you channel that?
Well, it's one of those things where all of the presenters that have spoke previously, it's all connected. Knowing that we can move our body, we can eat well, we can take some time to sit and be still and connect with our spirit. And as we do that, we're empowered. We are moving in purpose, on purpose. And so that's why I believe that it's sacred. And that safe space is that you can come however you are with whatever you have, and you will be welcomed and loved on. We gonna love on
Come
you.
on. That's
we gonna
big.
love on you. Yeah.
That's big. What are the ways in which you feel like yoga has loved on you?
Ooh, you got the questions. I love it. I love it. Yoga taught me how to breathe again. It taught me how to breathe. And with taking that breath, I'm able to connect with this and this. Wait, this side. Yes, on the side. And moving that purpose, moving that alignment. And that was what it did for me as far as pulling back layers. I'm from Inglewood in South Central Los Angeles, and I didn't find, or better yet, yoga didn't find me until college. And so there were a lot of different things that I went through during childhood, being where I was raised, and with family, that I had to pull some layers back. And so yoga has allowed me to do that and to empower myself by getting in contact with that inner child, that spirit, my spirit, and continue to move forward in that love.
That is so beautiful.
Thank you.
That is so beautiful. What are ways where you have seen in your teaching where reintroducing, I'll say reintroducing, because I think, I can't remember exactly the statistics, so I don't want to say something crazy on the mic that's wrong, but the majority of people are not breathing. Like we hold our breath majority of the day. And so what has been a beautiful moment for you in reintroducing someone to that reconnection of their breath?
Those tears start to flow. They start to release things that they've been holding on to. And when we notice that holding things in the gut, holding things in that womb space is crucial, because we start to get a gut sometimes, and it comes out physically. And so being able to take that deep breath and just exhale and release, and seeing the ease on people's face after a class, or someone trusting me enough to fall asleep in my class. If someone starts snoring, I know I did my job. I'm like, if I hear him snoring, you can't go to sleep. Everybody doesn't feel safe to go to sleep everywhere, and so if they felt like they needed that 30 to 40 hour and they got that rest, like, that's a gift to me, because I was able to facilitate that and guide them into that, and they trust me.
Wow.
Yeah.
That is so beautiful. Thank you for being here tonight.
Thank
I'm
you.
So
Thank you
excited
for
to
having me.
participate and reconnect to the breath.
Yes, that's what it's about.
Thank you.
Thank you.